back in Tennessee because we love it so much. And Izzy is joining us tonight. We're going to get about 5 to 7 inches of snow here. But we are camping and we are fully prepared. We'll be back. I'll share some more videos. Don't really have reception out here. Really wish I could do a TikTok, but I can't. But anyway, look at this beautiful view behind me, guys. This is amazing. See you guys later.
Who got me like I got me, like I got me, like
We took the wrong path again. Leave it to us. Tennessee, one thing I can say about Tennessee is their paths are not really marked really well, not like Georgia. So we went over the creek falls and hit a dead end. So we're back on our normal track now.
We got lost. You got lost. You were the one leading us.
Shade this boy. Anyway, guys, we're out here. It's cold, but it's hot, so had to take the coat off. We're sweating here, losing some pounds. We'll have the internet back when we get back to our campsite. So yes, a little bit about here. Free parking. Camping is anywhere from $25 to $40. I'm the only one that ain't bust my ass out here. I just want to go on record and say that. Nayara has an attitude because she busted her ass. Nahum. Look at this, man. Look at this scenery. We're about to go over another bridge, getting closer to Falls Creek Waterfalls. Oh, I almost bust my ass. Oh, yeah. But this is beautiful. I'll let you flip the camera and show you guys. Look at that. Almost to the waterfalls, getting ready to cross this bridge. I'm letting it be known if my kids bust their ass, guess who's not going to the emergency room?
Just forget about me. I got this tendency of seeing what I wanna see, believing what I wanna believe. But who got me like that?
It hasn't even been an hour, and these kids is getting on my nerves. I'm about ready to throw one back off the waterfall. This one. She's getting on my nerves. Been complaining the whole time. Melodramatic. Oh my God. It's cold out here. I'm about to go see what these bathrooms is looking like. And I'm just hoping that we can keep our fire burning because the snow is about to start coming. Like Izzy was like, yeah, y'all camping? I want to come camping too. The name of the snowstorm. All in my recording. Can't do nothing around these kids. Nothing. Go back to your phone to get up off of me. I ain't got no service.
Who got me like I do?